So there's two things that's certain in life: taxes and death. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about taxes, precisely property taxes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can look up your exact property taxes and not just a guesstimate of what they will be. So since I've gotten to this business, I've always asked my mentors and my associates in the office, people that have been in the business 20 years plus, what are property taxes? And they always say about 1% of the market value or 1% of the appraised value. About 1%, now what is that? 0.75, 0.85, 0.95. Me being the analytical person I am, I had to figure out the exact number. So what I did was contacted the county assessor's office because their website's a little bit hard to navigate, and I'll walk you guys through it so you guys know exactly what you're getting into. And stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to tell you something that happens when you purchase a house, and if you don't know about it, you could be paying more than what you should be in taxes. So how you look it up, how are taxes determined here in Las Vegas? I will put the links in the description below. It's clarkcountynv.gov. So I will put all the links in the description below, as you can see, or I'll put them up on the screen right now. So this explains what the tax abatement is for it. So if it's a primary residence, there can only be a cap of 3%. If it's a secondary investment property, it's a tax abatement up to 8%. And if you're buying new construction, they're just going to tax the amount of the land, and then the following year it'll be taxed with the structure on it. So this you can go through it all right here in this. So we'll jump back to this, and this is the tax rate. How do you determine your actual taxes precisely? It's actually a formula. So total taxable value on a new home, so let's say it's $200,000. The assessment ratio is 0.35. You gotta look up your tax district. If it's 200, the tax rate 3.27825 per $100. And they have the formula right here that you can do it yourself. Now, how do you determine your tax district? You go to another page on the website, which I'll put the link on the page or in the description below. I'll show you guys right here. So right here we have a lot of different ones. And you just take this formula, just like it's mapped out right here, to assess your taxes. Like I said earlier, if it's a secondary residence, you get a tax cap rate at 8%. If it's your primary residence, that tax cap rate is 3%. But what a lot of people don't tell you, or will not tell you, or do not know, when you purchase a new property here in Las Vegas, it automatically converts to an 8% tax cap rate. Now, what you must do after you buy your new home is you must contact the assessor's office to make sure they email you a tax cap rate form. They will not take e-signature. It has to be a wet signature. And they will email you it, you sign it, and then you send it in, or you personally go down there and hand it in. Or you can just go down there and they'll give it to you right there, and you can sign it and take care of it right there at the assessor's office. But if you purchase a new home, you have to contact the assessor's office and have them send you this tax cap assessor form to sign, to get a wet signature and send it back, or walk into the assessor's office and sign it with a wet signature. So that's it on your taxes. That's how you find out exactly what your taxes are. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Like always, stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see everybody on the next one.